Think your favorite chain restaurant is safe for gluten-free eaters? Think again. Today we're ranking the 10 biggest chain restaurants from the absolute worst to the surprisingly best for gluten-free warriors. We'll expose hidden gluten traps and celebrate the unsung heroes of allergen-friendly dining. This isn't just about reading a menu. It's about knowing the real risks and rewards of eating out. Get ready for some truth bombs and jaw-dropping surprises. Comment below with your go-to gluten-free spot. Let's get this gluten-free party started. Let's start at the very bottom, shall we? McDonald's. For gluten-free folks, navigating their menu, it's a culinary desert. A vast and unforgiving landscape of limited options. Their entire menu is fundamentally built on bread. Burgers, stacked high with gluten-filled buns, sandwiches, each one a potential minefield, nuggets, coated in a crispy, gluten-rich batter. Gluten everywhere. It's practically in the air you breathe in their restaurants. Even the fries in the US, surprisingly, contain wheat. Yes, wheat in potatoes. Who would have thought? And what about cross-contamination? Off the charts. Seriously, every single surface, every utensil used in their kitchens, every glove worn by the staff, gluten is absolutely everywhere. There are no dedicated gluten-free protocols in place, no special prep areas to avoid cross-contamination nightmares. So, you're essentially left with a sad side salad, looking forlorn in its plastic container, or maybe, just maybe, a single solitary apple. Rolling the dice with your digestive system just isn't worth it. It's simply not worth the risk. Unless you're actively seeking a side of existential dread and stomach cramps, keep driving right past those tempting golden arches. McDonald's, you're officially the least gluten-free friendly fast food chain out there. A big fat F for failure. And flour. Mountains of it. Sorry, Ronald, but it's true. Number 9 is Domino's, the master of false hope. They offer a gluten-free crust, but it's made in a common kitchen with high cross-contamination risk. Even Domino's says it's not safe for celiacs. It's like selling a parachute and warning it might not open. For anyone with real gluten issues, it's just not worth it. Domino's, you tried, but not really. Number 8 is Panera Bread, literally bread in the name. The smell of fresh bread is everywhere, and so are the crumbs. They offer a gluten-conscious menu, but cross-contact is massive. Salads and soups are options, but everything's prepped in a gluten-filled environment. Crumbs are the glitter of the food world they get everywhere. You can try, but you're taking a gamble. For a healthier chain, their gluten-free protocols are lacking. Panera, you're in the danger zone. Proceed with caution. Olive Garden lands at number 7. They have a dedicated gluten-free menu. Rotini pasta, zuppa toscana, salad, hold the croutons. Even steak. It feels inclusive, but the kitchen is shared. Gluten-free pasta might be boiled in the same water as regular pasta unless you ask. Cross-contamination is a real risk. You have to advocate for yourself and ask the right questions. Olive Garden gives you options, but you build the safe meal. A step forward, but not perfect. Number 6 is Five Guys, a surprise contender. Their burgers are 100% beef, no fillers, and you can get them bunless or in a lettuce wrap. All toppings are gluten-free. The real hero? The fries. Only fries go in their fryers. No cross-contamination. Fries are cooked in pure peanut oil, making them a rare, safe fast food option. Just avoid the malt vinegar. There's always a slight risk, but it's much lower than most places. Five Guys proves simplicity and transparency go a long way. No fancy menu needed, just safe, delicious food. A solid choice for gluten-free eaters. Landing at number 5, we have P.F. Chang's, a restaurant that has truly understood the needs of the gluten-free community. It's a beacon of hope and deliciousness for gluten-free diners. Let's face it, Asian food can often feel like navigating a gluten minefield, with hidden sources lurking in sauces and noodles. But P.F. Chang's steps up to the plate, offering a comprehensive and thoughtfully curated gluten-free menu. You can indulge in signature dishes like their famous Mongolian beef, or savor the bold flavors of Chang's spicy chicken, knowing that gluten-free versions are readily available and just as delicious. But the real game changer here? It's their commitment to special kitchen protocols designed specifically for gluten-free orders. This includes meticulously cleaned woks, dedicated utensils, and even distinctive plates, all designed to clearly mark your meal as safe and gluten-free. The staff are thoroughly trained, and every effort is made to minimize the risk of cross-contamination. So you can actually relax, fully unwind, and truly enjoy your meal without worry. It's not just about having a few options. It's about prioritizing your safety and well-being. P.F. Chang's has genuinely invested in real solutions, and they're not just paying lip service to the gluten-free community. You get a wide variety of choices, incredible flavor profiles, and the invaluable peace of mind that comes with knowing you're in safe hands. And that's precisely why they've earned their spot in our top 5. Delicious Asian food, all without the usual anxiety. Well done, P.F. Chang's, for setting a high standard. Number 4 is Outback Steakhouse. Forget the bloomin' onion, but the steaks and many sides are safe. Outback has a huge gluten-free menu with clear labels and ingredient info. Staff are knowledgeable and trained to prevent cross-contamination. They use clean surfaces and change gloves for gluten-free orders. You can get a steak, baked potato, and veggies with confidence. Outback proves big chains can take allergies seriously. A reliable, delicious, and safe choice. Number 3 is Red Robin, a burger paradise for gluten-free eaters. They offer high-quality gluten-free buns and a dedicated fryer for their famous steak fries. Yes, you can have a burger and safe, bottomless fries. Their interactive allergen menu makes it easy to customize your meal. Transparency and customization put you in control. Red Robin goes above and beyond for gluten-free diners. You're not an afterthought here. You're part of the party. Gourmet burgers, endless safe fries, and peace of mind. That's a win every time. Our runner-up is Chipotle, a legend in the gluten-free world. Almost everything is naturally gluten-free. Meats, beans, rice, salsas, cheese, guac. The only gluten? Flour tortillas. Build your own bowl or salad with confidence. Cross-contamination is possible, but you can ask staff to change gloves and use fresh ingredients. You control your risk in your meal. No special menu needed, just simple, safe choices. Chipotle is my go-to for quick, healthy, gluten-free eats. Empowering, customizable, and reliable. Chipotle, you're a true hero. When it comes to navigating the world of gluten-free fast food, one chain stands head and shoulders above the rest. The number 1 gluten-free friendly chain? It's none other than Chick-fil-A. They offer a sealed gluten-free bun, ensuring minimal risk of cross-contamination. And here's a unique touch. You assemble it yourself, guaranteeing no cross-contamination. This hands-on approach gives you control and peace of mind. The grilled chicken sandwich is safe, a delicious and worry-free option. And so are the waffle fries, a classic side that everyone can enjoy, because they're cooked in a dedicated fryer. This prevents any gluten transfer. Grilled nuggets and salads packed with fresh ingredients are also great options. Just be sure to check the dressing ingredients. Their allergen menu is clear and easy to use, making informed choices a breeze. What truly sets them apart from the competition? It's their unwavering consistency and system-wide commitment to gluten-free practices. Every location meticulously follows the same stringent safety protocols. From the sealed bun, handled with care, to the dedicated fryer, ensuring safe cooking, they've thought of everything to protect their gluten-free customers. You can order with confidence, knowing you're in good hands, every single time. Chick-fil-A has made gluten-free safety a fundamental part of their core values. Innovation, unwavering dedication, and those undeniably delicious fries. Chick-fil-A truly is the champion of gluten-free fast food. Fast food, completely redefined for gluten-free eaters everywhere. A well-deserved title indeed. There you have it. The most and least gluten-free friendly chain restaurants. Some chains are stepping up, others are stuck in the gluten dark ages. Always be your own advocate. Ask questions, know the risks, and speak up. The gluten-free world is getting better because of communities like ours. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and share with your gluten-free friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.